Alright, welcome to another video. So today we're going through how to install Debian, though this should be the same for any Linux distro. I strongly recommend Debian because it's the most intuitive and easy to use. I would not recommend Ubuntu as that's paid. So first, let's head over to debian.org and then click download. That will download a hard installer. Click other downloads, then click try Debian before installing and select whatever desktop environment you like. So in my case, GNOME. So I click that. It should give me to this download, but I already have downloaded it. So the first step is to download a virtual machine provider. So in my case, virtualbox. I like virtualbox because it's free and open source. I believe, yeah, it's open source, and it's available for Linux. So you click Linux distributions and click whichever distribution that you have. In case you have Windows or Mac OS, you can have it here, and if you have Solaris by any reason, you can also download it. In case I have Debian 13, no, this is Ubuntu 25 based distro, no, I forgot, I believe it's 24, yeah, it's this one, because this is Linux Mint, the Ubuntu edition. So we open the package, install the package. This should be as any normal package, installing your distro in your OS. I believe they may provide it in some stores. In my case, I don't know. So I come here and let's see, it's yeah, and now, okay, there you go. Let's close this window and come here and launch virtualbox. Let's click new, Debian, in my case, ISO image, select other and go where you saved it and double click. Okay, disable proceed with unattended installation, and Linux, Debian, and Debian 64-bit, Debian 64-bit, because this is Trixie. And let's assign a bit more yeah, 10 gigs is good. Let's assign 4 CPU. You can assign it however you want. 20 gigs should be enough. Finish. Let's start it. And let's see if I get that error. I will tell you how to fix it. Yeah, in case you get an error like this, or saying something about something of Intel something or AMD, here's what you need to do. This is only on Linux, this is because of KVM. So you rm math KVM, and in this case AMD, in case you have an Intel CPU, I thought that's CPU or GPU, I'm not sure. Then KVM, and there you go, and it's in use. So let's see which programs are using it. So let's stop all process of Docker proxy sudo. This probably happens because of Docker, because Docker uses it. No. Okay, let's nano lash etc. Okay, who was it? Let's Google it. Okay. And okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's this one, I believe. I don't know. I will cut this. Okay. Okay, it's nano lash etc. slash matprop.d slash d local dash don't load.conf sudo request kvm underscore empty black and kvm. kvm, and now we should just be able to launch virtualbox. Okay, and this one. See, this time it should not fail, and there you go, it's not failing. Okay, we're going to go full screen and live system. and you can see that as column is installed, they install Debian. Browsers. Okay, let's keep it in my country. Change now English, US to effect, and next. Next, this is pretty intuitive. Select erase disk. If you have another OS installed, it should let you shrink and install alongside or something like that. Okay, what's your full name? I'm going to place my shell access. VirtualBox Debian tutorial. Okay, no passwords. Okay, let's keep it like this. And summary, erase disk. Yes. Install it. Okay, it's done. Make sure to check restore now unless you. Okay. So, okay, there you go. Debian GNU Linux.